Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, I'm excited to be sharing our episode for today because I will be sharing to you 19 most affordable Louis Vuitton leather bags. Yes guys, everything would be made of leather, and good news is everything would be under 2,500 USD. We have such amazing selection of our bags for today. So we have classic styles, we have trendy styles, everything that you are going to need to add to your collection. And good news guys is I'm going to link everything on the description box below, including the product name, product codes, the prices, and the links where you could shop them. So guys, I hope you enjoy our episode and you add something to your wishlist for 2023, and please watch until the end of this episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Soaking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's @Ramir52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me.
Hi guys, all prices are in USD via LouisVuitton.com and are before taxes. Product code, links, and prices will be on the description box below. Happy shopping guys! At top 19, let's start with Neo ALMA BB, priced at $2,500 US. Material is the very beautiful monogram empreinte leather. It comes with a fully detachable strap, and just look at this very beautiful interior. You know guys how I love ALMA BB. Top 18, Bagatelle, the newer bags of LV, priced at $2,500. Material is the monogram empreinte leather. I love that it comes with two straps. This one you could wear as a shoulder bag and you could wear as a crossbody. Top 17, ALMA BB, price at $2,370 USD. Material is the black epi leather, and guys, the difference of this one, the beautiful guitar thick strap that comes with the Louis Vuitton logo. This one super love, and definitely I love the new addition of this very beautiful strap. Top 16, we have a new bag from LV, Marelle, priced at $2,370 US. Material is the epi leather. It comes in different colors. This one, another super crush bag, comes in two different straps. I love the detachable coin pouch here. Super love this new bag. Top 15, another new bag, priced at $2,230 US. Name is BUCI. Material is the epi leather, a very beautiful shoulder bag, and I believe the strap is fully adjustable. Just look at the very beautiful enamel logo, and as you can see here, it comes in different colors. Top 14, Nano LOCKME bucket, priced at $2,180 USD. Love the very beautiful leather material of this one. A good alternative to the monogram bucket bag. As you can see, if you're a fan of the LOCKME collection, then definitely this is a good bag for your collection. Top 13, another popular bag, tiny backpack, priced at $2,160 USD. I love the material of this one. Comes in the bicolor monogram empreinte leather, and I believe the strap is fully detachable. You could wear it as a backpack or as a shoulder bag. Next, top 12, we have NANO SPEEDY. As you could see here, it comes in the very beautiful bicolor monogram empreinte leather. Comes in the black, comes in the beige colorway like this. This one is the newer re-edition, a little bit smaller, but it comes with now a fully adjustable strap. Next, top 11, we have PETIT sack PLAT. So this is the leather version, monogram empreinte leather. Price is $2,030. I love again that it comes in this very beautiful bicolor monogram empreinte leather. Guys, look who made it to the top 10. We have the very beautiful ALMA BB in the very beautiful epi leather. Comes in the color black and indigo. Price only at $1,960 US. So the difference on this one from the very first one, the strap it comes with is the original leather strap. So gorgeous. Top 9 twist belt chain wallet, priced at $1,960. This one, guys, is a very good wallet on chain. The strap is fully detachable, and I love, of course, the twist detail. I was able to try this one on our LV boutique, so gorgeous. Top 8 SCALA mini pouch, priced at $1,960. So this is a very good pouch, just like the Bottega. So it comes with a fully detachable strap. The treatment of the monogram, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, it's the mahina leather. As you could see here, very beautiful interior. Top 7 MYLOCKME chain pochette, priced at $1,930. As you can see here, it comes in different colors. It comes in black. It comes in this beige colorway. And if you are again a fan of the LOCKME twist lock, then definitely this is a good bag for your collection. The second leather petite sac plat at top 6, price only at $1,900. The difference on this one from the earlier one, so this is the monogram upfront leather, but it is not bicolor. But either way, still a very good looking mini tote bag. Then we have a top 5 FÉLICIE Pochette. Comes in the black and beige color of the very beautiful bicolor monogram upfront leather. Price is only $1,760, and good news is, of course, it comes with the 2 inserts. Just look at one insert, it's also the monogram upfront leather. Next, at top 4, we have the very beautiful double zip pochette in the bicolor monogram upfront leather. Price is $1,690. This one, guys, I so have a huge crush on this one. Very useful and very functional with 2 zip pochettes with detachable strap. Top 3, we have the easy pouch on strap with the upfront leather. Price is only $1,620. This one, if you are a fan of just carrying the bare essential, then this is a good alternative for you. Comes with 2 strap, adjustable strap and a chain strap. Top 2, the FÉLICIE Pochette, priced at $1,620. So the difference is the material is the monogram upfront leather, fully detachable chain strap, and of course it comes with the very beautiful 2 inserts. As you could see here, love the color of the interior. And now for top 1, we have the double zip pochette, priced at $1,420. So if you are not a fan of the bicolor, then we have it in monogram upfront leather. This is a little bit more chic, more discreet, comes with 2 zip pochette, and I feel that again, you could use this on a daily basis.
There, did you enjoy our episode for today, guys? So wasn't that fun and really amazing? So hope you were able to get something from the cheat sheet that I was able to share to you guys for today. Please do comment down below among the bags, the 19 bags that I've shown you for today, which ones are you adding to your wish list for 2023? Again, guys, before we end our episode, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fandom, cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at Premiere52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you guys for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!